today we're going to show you an unboxing of the ECBasket Polly Gel Nail Extension Gel Kit. Show you what's in here. They gave you a leaflet on how to get your stuff all ready and how to apply it, your basic using steps, and the tips you have to know, important tips on what you need to do. That's pretty cool, simple and to the point. And we have duel forms, and we have slip solution for poly gel nail brush saber ECBasket soak off sealer nail gel base coat, and the kit comes with a soak off top coat, and then you get a file, and it looks like it's a 180-100 grit, and then you get 4 tubes of the poly gel, which is the dark pink, natural pink, clear, and bright white. Let's put these over there, and then you get the ECBasket picker and poly gel brush. So let's get started on this, guys. Oh, and you also get a dapping dish. Let's do a demonstration on how to apply your poly gel. I don't know what this is. It doesn't have no strong odor. Kind of smells like vinegar to me. And then this is the top coat, and they're still really good. Oh, and it's not too thick, but it's not too thin either, guys. So we're going to try this out. And then there's the base coat. Oh, and it's pretty good too. And it just smells like your typical base coat, not real strong at all, guys. So yeah, let's get started. I'm going to put some alcohol in here for my slip solution, and I'll show you these colors. First off, and that is the 0008 natural pink. So I think we'll use that one. And then you've got the 0009 dark pink. Let's check that one out. And it's kind of clear a little bit, you know. And then everyone knows what a clear is, but it's 0001 clear. And then we've got poly gel now ECBasket 0002 bright white. Excellent transparency, sheer coverage, 15 grams, 0.53 ounces is the net weight of these guys. So I think the two that I'm going to use is the clear and the white. Or this is the dark pink and the white.
And here I am applying the base coat.
Showing here that you can cure it in 30 seconds or 60 seconds, depends on if you have an LED lamp or a UV lamp.
I'm showing you the dual forms. And they do fit a wide array of nails. Just want to come on here and take a time to give a few shout outs for giveaways. Karina's Nail Designs is having a giveaway. Diamond Debbie Gloss and Glow is having a giveaway. Not a Beauty Queen 06 is having a giveaway. Just Joe Nail Attic is having giveaways. Hillbilly's Nails and Makeup and More is having giveaways. And Just Nailed It is having giveaways. You guys need to go check these ladies out. They are awesome. They do awesome work. So yeah, go check them out and find their videos that's for their giveaways and get in there and get it on the giveaways. Thanks. This is where I took off the dual form. I'm sorry I didn't get it recorded, but this is what it looks like without the dual form right after you remove it. So you need to let it cool just for a few seconds and then remove your dual form. Pinch on the little tabbies and remove it. This is my end result, you guys. Thanks for coming. Please subscribe, like, and share. Thank you. Bye-bye.